This is the seventh lecture of the Semantic SEO course. In this lecture, we will talk about the URLs, the information tree, some principle that you should follow when you create the information tree. The first one is you did not repeat the stop words in the URLs. Like here, you can see the context term that is Germany and life. It's not like life in Germany, life of the Germany, like that. And don't use more than the two words. For example, I can use just two words in a URL because I want to try it very short. The shorter URLs are very liked by a search engine. But here you can see there are the four context terms because when I use these type of URL drop down, it means I want to create an internal link with an other node. You can see religion under the culture. So it will be connected in our course section in a visa culture part. You should need to very clearly your source context and align these URLs in a very aligned way and decide what should come where exactly. This is about subset retrieval because if a Google crawler drive the info from the live subfolder, that means it comes from Germany. So it creates the overall relevance. And if this node is a very relevant, so it goes more deeper for further crawling. The one thing that you should understand about the URLs or the information trees is that the Google or Bing bot or any bot is first see these URLs. So if these are logical and attract the main topic and it align with your website topicality, so it can give you the more initial ranking. Small and minor effect when it comes to the ranking factor, but since it is the first thing, the search engine crawlers decide that we should crawl it or not. The main purpose is faster and easier crawling. You can see here the outer section is a very deeper, like the four context term and the more drop down in a URLs. But you can see the core section is a very flat. You create the two subsection and both connect back to the root. Inside the semantic content network, we use the three things: root, seed, and node. Most of the traditional people use silo or hub pages, but we use the upper version and combine the both. I open my paint to understand you all the things in a more better way. For example, if I talk about hub, it can like a small sub nodes connected to the one root. This is the pillar page and all these connected with those. But if I talk about the silo, a one root connected with the sub nodes, it's something like that. So in our scenario, in a semantic content network, we combine the both silo and hub hierarchy. Here is our root. Here are our two sections that are subsections, core section and outer section. For example, and these are the subnodes that you can see here. And these are internal link to each other. And these two sections both are our connected to our root. And these subsections have their childs and sometimes these are connected to each other. So if I back to our topical map, for example, here you can see the politics. If I change this religion under the politics, so all the things will be changing. Now, religion is a political issue rather than the cultural thing. So we restructure our macro context according to that specific source context and we change all our title tags. So it's more than a visa, it's like a political website. In the next lecture, we will talk about the description. Thank you.